I have Oppo F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the password and security, then go to the fingerprint, continue, then you have to set up screen lock password. It could be numeric like pin, pattern, or like password alphanumeric. I'm just gonna enter the simplest 4 digits pin, then confirm it. Then you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, and tap on it with the finger several times, just like this, until it remembers your fingerprint. And it's done. And now, for example, you can use this fingerprint feature to unlock your device without entering any passcode. You just tap on the fingerprint sensor with your finger and the device is instantly unlocked. So as you can see, no need to enter any passcode, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.